The holidays are less than a month away. Do you have all your gift giving done? Well, it's not just Black Friday today. Tomorrow is Cyber Saturday or Small Business Saturday, and you don't want to miss the opportunity to get the best gifts you can to your friends and family, especially those that love cars, and those office people that you work with that might own a car, love cars like I do. So I've got 10 great gift ideas that might save your shopping time so you can have more time to watch football or work on your car. Stay right with us. Welcome back to the channel. This is 4-Minute Friday, and I'm going to give you 10 very cool car gifts that you can give to your friends and family so that you are prepared. 10 items in 4 minutes. Are you ready? Let's put 4 minutes on the clock. For that secret Santa in the office or for a stocking stuffer, check out the Accutire digital tire pressure gauge. This is mine. I've had it for years. For $10.97, you can fill a stocking or you can use it as a secret Santa gift. For my second gift idea, Loren Fix's Guide to Loving Your Car, a great gift for new drivers, people that don't remember how to drive in driver's ed. This is a wonderful gift to give people, and it's $20.80. You can get it on Amazon, or you can get it on my website, where I'll give you a second book for free, Driving Ambitions. And also from my website, anything that you buy, you would get the His Turn, Her Turn air freshener in the scent of Fast Lane. Gift idea number 3 is the Hubmax Universal. This is from myCharge. I really love their products. Connections for not just Apple, but also Android, and you can use it for your iPad. Really great if you're always on the go. You will never go without a charge. This one is $49. If you're into camping, or maybe you needed something for your emergency safety kit, this is the myCharge Power Lumens. It's a light, it's also a charger. Really cool. This is $59. Might be good for someone going off to college because you can have a light in case the power goes out. Helps them get back and forth to their car in not well-lit parking lots. Very cool item, $59. And again, all the links are down below and they include free freight. The bag fix. Yes, we sold out on these at QVC. They hang in the headrest posts, whether hanging forward or hanging backwards. They're really easy to install, and they carry over 50 pounds. They're made here in the USA. They're actually made in Buffalo, New York. They're made of stainless steel and hold over 50 pounds. So whether it's your gym bag, your laptop case, 2 bottles or 3 bottles of wine, they give them to you in those stupid plastic bags, it'll hold onto that as well. Also eggs or berries, if you don't want them to get smushed in the back of your vehicle, this is a great solution. They come 2 to a bag. You can also go on my website and get 1 if that's what you prefer, but you will find that you might need more than 2. Most people buy 2 of these because they can hang them in the back seat as well as in the front seat, and great for diaper bags as well. The 6th great idea for any car lover is the Meguiar's All-in-One Essential Car Kit for $47. The link is down below. It includes a bucket and all of the things you're going to need to clean your car. A lot of times kids go off to college, they do love their cars, or maybe they move to a new location and they need car cleaning supplies. A great gift for anyone who loves their car. You don't have to be an enthusiast, but you want to keep your ride looking good. Number 7 gift idea is a t-shirt, a nice black t-shirt that says real cars don't shift themselves. For those of us that love their manual transmissions, and I am one of them, I've got a whole bunch of cars in this garage that are all manual transmissions. You want to make sure to let everyone know that you feel that way. And for $14.95, you can buy your favorite person a very cool t-shirt. It's not only funny, but it's also really cool. Gift idea number 8 is the seatbelt belt. Yes, it is actually made of seatbelt material, and it is a seat belt. This is one of my daughter's favorite things to wear. Actually, sometimes her husband steals it. It goes from 32 inches to 52 inches. It is made of seatbelt material. It only comes in black, and you can get these linked down below. I sell them on my website as well. And I also have a keychain that goes with it. Again, you can find that on my website at carcoachreports.com. Gift idea number 9, a Roadside Emergency Kit. Everyone should have one. This one is 55 pieces. It also includes jumper cables in the back and Velcro on the bottom so it doesn't roll around. The emergency kit available on my website also comes with a flare alert and a car care guide, a little extra bonus for buying it on my website. What's also nice about this is you have everything you need. If you have a new driver, you have a new car. I have one of these in every vehicle I own. Nothing like getting stuck on the side of the road and having what you need to keep you safe. The price, including freight, is $39.95. Item number 10 is something that you see a lot of commercials for. It is the WeatherTech Cup Holder. Now, if you've got a cell phone, you have it in your hand, or in my vehicle, in this Porsche Cayenne, there is no place for a cell phone. It goes in the cup holder, there's space for charging, and it's adjustable to any size cup holder for any size phone. Whether you've got the big Android or the smaller Apple phone, you'll be able to find an adjustment that works. And you can get a link to that down below. This is Black Friday, although many of you are smart enough to stay home. Cyber Saturday, which means you can do all your shopping online. It's also Small Business Saturday. And for those of you that shop on my website, I do appreciate it being a small business. We also appreciate all of your support throughout the year here at Car Coach Reports. We'll have a lot of great stories for you coming up, and you can check out some of the coolest reviews of the vehicles we've driven, including some of the weird flops we've seen in the last few months. That is over here. All the social media is down below. Don't forget, in the description there are links so you can buy each one of these items, make your shopping simple, and you'll be ready to relax through the holidays. That's what I'm hoping to do, but we shall see. We'll look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.